Subhan, we are discussing parts of a fruit. Can you tell me what is this part here? Here.
Wait, I need to clean your video. Okay. This is a seed or seed.
This is the last part of the fruit straight inside. So, how have I told you to remember it? Inside, सबसे inside last part है. Endocarp. Endocarp. Yes. Ranveer, can you tell me what is this white portion? Part of a fruit.
Epicarp.
Epicarp.
Sorry, mesocarp.
Mesocarp. Okay. Vihan, can you tell me what is this part of the fruit? The last one here. The one here on the outside.
Epicarp.
Yes. Okay. Subhan, do you have a fruit at home?
Oh.
No, you don't. Tanishka, do you have a fruit at home? Ranveer is finished eating the fruit also. Not fair, huh? Keep it.
No, man.
Tanishka, yes, Tanishka has got Peru. Tanishka, can you tell me where is the mesocarp on it? Show the mesocarp to me on that.
Mesocarp.
Listen, go to the textbook. Go to the textbook, page 19. Look at it from the figure in that textbook and then identify it along with the fruit you have in your hand. Ranveer, what is your old baby? Thumb in the mouth.
No, man.
Yes, Tanishka. Which is the mesocarp? The whitish part, right? The part which is very juicy and fleshy. It's also messy. So you remember it like that. Yes. Very juicy, fleshy, messy. That is mesocarp. Wait, you eat it. Wait. Pranav, wait, I'll come to the seeds. Pranav, wait. Pranav, wait, I'll come to that. Wait, Baba. Pranav, we are going to do those seeds also today, but wait. Okay. Tanishka, look at your fruit and tell me where is endocarp. End is the one that is far inside the fruit. The end one inside the fruit. Where is that?
I think so. This.
You can see the seeds?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now can you also identify the epicarp? Epicarp कहाँ पे है? Fruit में epicarp. The outer part. Let's take a bite into the epicarp and the mesocarp. Lovely. जो फ्रूट नहीं लेके आया वो नहीं एंजॉय करेगा, जो फ्रूट लेके आया वो एंजॉय करके खाएगा, है कि नहीं? One more bite into the epicarp and mesocarp, please.
So big bite, ma'am.
जिसके पास नहीं है वो ऐसे देख के बैठो, अच्छा पोज दो, अच्छे पोज में देख के बैठो. उसका काय बोलते हैं अर्जुन? वन बाइट, वन मोर बाइट. खरंच
You don't have fruit, you can share with me.
I want Peru. I'm taking a.
Thank you, Tanishka. Peru must stay. Good. Good. Who can tell me a fruit जिसका एपिकार्प हम नहीं खाते हैं?
Watermelon.
One more very common fruit. बहुत ही common है. कुछ
Papaya.
पपाया का एपिकार्प खाते हैं पापा. Mango also many people eat the epicarp of the mango also. Banana common है ना कितना?
Oh yeah.
Banana.
Cow starter cow.
हम काऊ है? हम काऊ है?
मैम हम तो नहीं कऊ खाते हैं।
काऊ तो खाते हैं, काउस तो खाते हैं।
हाँ।
Cool. So I hope with this plan that we did today, you will remember the epicarp, the mesocarp, and the endocarp. Okay. Now, one homework that you're going to get in biology today is draw any fruit of your choice. You want to draw like the papaya that is in your textbook, you can do that. You want to draw apple, you already had an apple in your hand, you can look at it and do that. You want to draw like a peru that this one Tanishka was eating, you can draw like that. You will draw any fruit of your choice and you will mark the endocarp, mesocarp, and epicarp. Remember, endocarp is the inside most part where the seed is going to be there. Okay. All right. Endocarp.
What, ma'am?
Endocarp is the inside most part, the hard part of the fruit that covers the seed. Okay, that is endocarp, end thing. Mesocarp is the place where you bite in and eat it. Fleshy, juicy, messy, mesocarp. ऐसे याद रखना ये mesocarp है. Okay. Epicarp. Epicarp is this outer portion. How is it given in your book? The outer thin protective covering of the fruit. The outer thin protective covering. You may or may not eat it. When we are feeding apple to children, we peel the epicarp and give it to kids. Small children, like 2 or 3 years old, typically we look to peel the epicarp. देखा होगा ना, जब छोटे बच्चों को देते हैं वो skin peel करते हैं because it might just get stuck in their throat, right? Those who ever have fruits in your class, you can eat it and finish it if you want to. Okay?
ब्रेक नहीं मिलेगा।
नहीं, ब्रेक भी मिलेगा. This is a part of a biology experiment. इसका और ब्रेक का कोई कनेक्शन नहीं है. Okay? Now, let's go to parts of a seed. Pranav, your turn. You had got chola and matki. I think you had matki in your bowl. You have seeds. What are the name of those seeds? I have green gram here. I don't know if you all can see.
Same, ma'am.
Good. I have green grams here. Okay, now you can see. I have green gram here with me. Okay. Pranav, what all do you have? You had a variety with you. What all do you have?
मटकी भी, छोले भी.
मटकी भी है, छोले भी है. Good, very good.
And now I'm going to eat that also.
Can you eat that?
No, I'm asking.
I thought you were ready to eat that. If I said yes, I thought you're going to say, हाँ हाँ चलो खा के देखते हैं.
Even
Yes,
I
ma'am.
got it's
Yes, Tanishka, that is nice. He काय जवार है कि काय?
no, it's a Peru.
Oh, Peru. अरे बाबा, we have finished fruit and now we have gone to seed. इसको या तो जल्दी खाओ या फिर आप प्लेट के साइड में रख दो. Fruit eating time खत्म. Now we are going to go to seeds. Okay. Seeds के क्या क्या हैं? Let's see. We are still on page 19 of your textbook. Okay. We are on page 19 of your textbook. Yes. Subhan, why are you on mute? Yes, Subhan, bolo. क्या?
Not peanuts.
You bought what?
Peanuts.
Can you show what you bought? I can't understand from what you're saying. Can you show it?
Ma'am, he said I got peanuts.
Peanuts. Peanut के कोटिंग के अंदर जब वो रहता है तब वो अंदर रहता है. ये पीनट अभी सीड नहीं है. ओके. सीड तब होता है जब तुम उसको जर्मिनेट कर सकते हो, तभी वो सीड है. इफ यू कैन सो इट एंड उसमें से पेड़ निकलेगा, देन इट इज अ सीड. ओके, like this green gram that I have in my hand. All right. If you can sow it and a plant can come out of it, then it is a seed. So the peanut that you have, no, it is ready to eat. उसमें से seed नहीं, उसमें से plant नहीं निकलेगा. Okay. Okay. Pranav, can you show what you had shown sometime back? Can you show what all you have? Pranav? अरे यार, फिर network गया. Pranav, you had got, I guess, matki and chola. Can you show it to us, please? Pranav. Gone. Okay. Pranav ka network is gone. Okay. How many of you know what are sprouts? Sprouts क्या होता है? किसको पता है?
मैं
Yes, Vihan बोलो sprouts क्या होता है?
Sprouts are what?
Pranav, wait.
I don't know what are sprouts.
ओए, फिर क्या बोला? Yes, I know. Okay. Yes. Pranav, you had got some seeds. Can you show that? Can you show that, please? Yes. Yes. You have chola and what is that? That's matki, is it?
Yes.
This is bhijlela matki, no? You have soaked it in water, right?
Yes.
Okay. So you have soaked. Wow, very good, very good. I'm glad you have soaked it in water. Now I'll tell you something. तुमने मटकी को पानी में भिगाया है and छोला को भिगाया नहीं है. Ranveer, come back to class, please. Okay.
Yes, ma'am. Washing my hands.
Now, when you soak these seeds into water, have you seen कि उसमें से एक छोटा सा white सा निकलता है? Have you seen that?
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Yes.
1 minute. I have done that and kept it for you. Give me 1 moment. I'll just bring it over. Just give me 1 minute. Sorry, yeah, kids. I completely forgot. Baki ka saman lekhe aaye, I left this. Okay. Now I'll just show you something. Now, Pranav, you have got to class soaked matki, right? Now, I showed you all some green gram, which was really hard, right? I showed you green gram, which was really hard. I'm going to show it here on the, I think I'll show it in my hand. It will be easier. I showed you some green gram, which was not soaked. It was straight out of the packet. It was really hard.
Ma'am,
You can't eat that. Yes, Ranveer?
you can't break it. Look, it is hard.
Okay. Now you see what I have. Can you see what I have?
Yes.
This is the gram that I got, which you cannot eat straight. This is what happens to the same green gram after it is soaked in water one night. And you just remove the water and you leave it. It will start germinating. You see this? Can you see this?
Yes.
See? This white thing that has come out. Who can tell me what is it?
Green gram.
The seed is green gram. The white thing that has come out, usko kya bolte hain?
Ma'am, root.
Okay. Okay. So you mean to say if I put this in mud, iska ek plant niklega bahar?
Yes, yes.
Yes.
Okay. Now I want you all to do this experiment at home. I want you all to do this experiment at home. Whatever seeds you got, no? Pranav, you got matki, it is already soaked, right? Ranveer, you got green gram and those green grams were not soaked. Okay. One, we need seeds. What you got is not seed. Okay. We need seeds. Now what happens is, once इसमें soak होके ये ऐसे निकल गया है ना, you can eat it up. It's going to be very soft. It's going to be very soft. You can simply chew and eat it up. Okay? See, इसमें से I will explain in detail to you what each of the part is called. But before that, I want you to bring this to class on your own. Only then when I'm explaining in class, you can also see what you have and we can discuss. Okay? But once इसके अंदर पानी घुस गया, इसके अंदर में से ये एक और ऐसे निकल गया ना, You can eat it up and it will taste quite nice. Do you know this
Yes, ma'am.
is a very healthy thing to eat every day? This is very high in proteins.
Ma'am, can I have the hard one?
Try if you can chew it. Put it in your mouth and try if you can chew it.
Oh, wow, so cool.
Can you chew it?
Yeah.
Ma'am.
You will enjoy your teeth. Don't do that. It's too hard to eat. Subhan, what have you got?
Mmm. So good.
Sorry,
So good.
Subhan, what is that? Chola. Yes. Yes, you got cholas. Yes. Good. Okay. Now, this is what you're going to do as homework for biology today. Class, idhar dekho. Ranveer, you don't have to be so lost in your dreams all the time. Okay? Aaj ka homework. You're going to read on your own page 19, parts of a seed. Okay? You're going to read on your own page 19 and page 20. Okay? You're going to read on your own page 19 and page 20. Now, one more experiment that you're going to do in the house is, जो भी ये ग्रीन ग्राम लेके आया या फिर मटकी लेके आया वगैरह, तुम इसको पानी में भिगाओगे. ओके? इसको पानी में भिगाने के बाद, तनिष्का, what are you doing?
Your sound is breaking loud that I cannot hear you, ma'am.
Okay, so you'll read the book to your head क्या? घर में बुक पढ़ने से आवाज ठीक से आ जाएगा. फिर Ranveer, again you're lying down on your left hand like that. Okay.
What experiment you want to do?
Simple experiment you're going to do in the house. You will take these dana, either matki or chola, any 2 seeds. I will send you the list. Okay, एक monocotyledon रहेगा, dicotyledon रहेगा. वो क्या है मैम? मैं अगले क्लास में बताऊंगी. But मैं जो 2 या 3 seeds बोलती हूँ ना, कोशिश करो अगर घर पे रहेगा, इसके लिए जाके 1 किलो खरीद के लाने की जरूरत नहीं है. You just have to you just have to soak 3 or 4 of those seeds. Okay, पूरा भर के नहीं करना है. Soak them in water overnight. कल उसको एक कपड़े में बांध के रखो and उसको परसों के दिन फ्रिज में डाल दो. ओके? अगले बायोलॉजी क्लास में जब लेके आओगे, उसके ये जो अपेरेंटली जो तुमने कहा रूट्स है, ये बहुत बड़े हो जाएंगे, इतने बड़े बड़े हो जाएंगे. ओके? Got it? I will give you the list of seeds that you have to soak. Please soak only those. Because उसी के अराउंड हमारा एक्सपेरिमेंट टेक्स्ट बुक में दिया हुआ है. Because they are called monocotyledons and dicotyledons. Okay, I will explain in the next class what it is. All right? ठीक है? चलो, let's take a break. 2-minute break. Come back for Genius Kids class. 2 minutes break.